Hey folks, Adrian here from Cademy with an update on what we've been building the last 7 days. So to begin with, we've added the ability for students to sign up and create an account. So you can just register like this. You'll get an email with a code just to make sure that you actually own that email address that you're trying to register with. You can just click here or copy the code manually and paste it in here to verify your account, and then you'll be able to log in into your student account. We'll be loading up all the bookings that you made, which we haven't actually done. We can't place a booking just now, but this is what we're going to be working on over the next 7 days. So that's coming next week. Additionally, on the admin side, we've added the ability to kind of pick the dates for the start and end time for the course a bit more comfortably. It used to be quite cumbersome, now it's a bit easier. And on the file pickers and kind of media management side, we've added the ability to edit the names for the files as well as delete the files altogether, just like so. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more updates in the next 7 days or so. Take care.